What's up guys, welcome back to our channel, welcome to another video. Today we're here at Oak Estate, and guys, we're dealing with a lot of birds today, so we're going to see how best it is that we can give you this drone shot of the development. All right, from the outskirts of the development we can see that some painting work is being done, as well as some solar water heaters are being installed on the first set of units that were built at this development. So we're just going to go right into the drone shot for you now. And guys, just before I do that, remember that this week is the open house for Aqueduct at Vineyards. These are done by Smart Homes. The poster is on your screen. You can check out the dates and you can go on and visit the site when you can. All right, so we're going to jump in this drone shot right now and show you what's happening on this side of development, and we'll catch you guys on the other side. Alright guys, so we're seeing the paintings of the units. We're seeing that the work still continues on this side, and I hope you guys appreciate even the sunlight that's behind us right now. Appreciate everything in life, even this very video that we're giving to you. So thank you so much for making it ChriSamz, for your property tours and for your updates. Remember to like, share, subscribe, leave your comment. Alright, and we'll catch you at Aqueduct of Vineyards with that property tour that we promised. But make sure you go out and go check out the units for yourself. Remember, they still have units available. You can check the information in our previous video, or you can look out for the new one. We'll definitely give you another update where you can make contact. But thank you guys so much for making it ChriSamz, and it peace out from me today until the next one. All right.